We've pre-ordered a Nintendo Wii. We're really looking forward to it. Right now we're on our way there, and we'll film more once we get there and see if we can talk to some of the people waiting in line.
I'm worried about lining up just because.
Okay.
Dude, he just drove by.
There's only two chaps.
What's Nathan's?
Yeah, I bought this thing for Nathan. I bought that and the two cases for him.
Link is hot.
That's really dumb, actually.
No?
Are you gonna put your thing on, Nathan?
What?
Are you gonna put your thing on?
Just a second. From a different angle. From cool.
So I'm
It's so confusing. I don't know what to push.
The Wii is going to be the best game system ever.
I wrote a song to the Wii.
As you can see here, I have this nice sleeve, and I actually really like it. The only thing is, it looks like it might be a little hard to press the plus and minus buttons.
Oh wait.
Some of the buttons a little bit.
I don't have my controllers back.
The home button, I can't even press that.
Don't forget your safety
I
wrist.
don't know what's up with that.
Dude, we could have died.
All the other buttons are easy to press
We
though.
could have died.
And the power button's hard to press too. That's not good.
Stupid little tap.
Besides that, it's really cool. I just need
Nathan already
to figure it out a little more.
There it is.
Wait, I'm
Sound
controlling you,
effects.
Corey.
There's two, dude. Box 1 and box 2.
Don't move too much. Don't move too much.
Box 1 and box 2.
Oh, they're trying to control it over there.
What are we doing?
Having fun, dude.
No, Nate.
Wait, I thought we already opened all the controllers.
No, it comes
comes
with one.
with one.
We got 3 additional ones. Which was 4.
Wait, faint? That's not all flops, but whatever. You know those things you hold up people's mouth and make them faint?
Wait, what if there's 1 and 2 buttons? That's weird.
I don't know. It's
Weird. I love the trigger button. That's how you shoot. Huh?
What? That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's called the B button.
Really?
Yeah.
So am I gonna I wonder what I'll do. Like this way?
Okay, forget the controller. Open the Wii, dude.
Yeah. I'll do it.
Okay.
Wait, what's this? What's this? Is that it? Oh.
Not that small.
No,
All right,
yeah,
open it.
Oh my
Pull it
gosh.
out. I get to put the first fingerprint on it though. Or handprint, I mean.
What's this?
A
It's a
holder.
cartridge.
We already have our own those. We don't need that one.
Nick
Alright,
has one.
it's mine. No.
Whoa! What's this? Power cord? No freaking way.
No freaking way. Did you just curse?
No, I did. I used a euphemism actually.
Hey, Nathan.
Okay, so
I'll
make sure.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I got it.
Don't touch it, Corey.
Side.
Corey,
Don't
don't
touch it,
touch
Corey,
it.
don't touch it.
The sides are okay. And the back of your hands okay too. Okay. Looking?
Hey, you can see it. Yeah.
My first time, I'm a little nervous doing this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hand feels holy.
Yeah, I see a couple smudge marks.
Then show us all the stuff on it.
And this is
How much does it weigh?
the Nintendo Wii. It weighs approximately 2.38 pounds.
That much, really?
Yes. Actually, no. This is more like a pound and a half. 2 pounds.
A pound.
2 pounds.
A pound.
Nathan doesn't
No.
know what a pound is.
I weigh meat every day, buddy. That's
Meat
about a
is
pound.
different than
Guys,
see it.
game
let's
systems.
play.
That's about
Okay,
a pound. Probably.
So now, some
Maybe
of
a
the
pound and a
games,
half.
as you can
Okay,
see
Nathan.
right here,
Directions.
this
Start
is
reading.
where you put in the disc. Okay, normal disc slot, and right under here, this is where you put in the Wii.
Wii Sports.
The Wii.
Why does it come with such
the
a crappy
Wii.
case?
The Wii. What's it called?
Wait, what is this? Look at this.
The Wii
That's
thing.
the case for it?
Yeah.
What
Hey,
the
it's just a
heck?
free game.
Nathan, some of the other features.
Yes, sir.
You can plug in GameCube controllers just in case you don't have enough Wii controllers. And then right here, GameCube memory sticks to keep up with all the latest GameCube games, which you can play right here.
So how much money did we spend tonight?
About $400.
The sensor bar.
Actually, well,
Dun, dun, dun.
That's ridiculous if you think about it.
it is.
But compare that to PlayStation 3. The system.
I'm not
itself is
comparing
no,
it to anything.
No,
I'm
no,
just saying.
I'm just saying.
$450.
Nathan is here reading the instructions.
Very well.
Jeez.
That's girl going. Oops.
Buddy.
Kidding me?
Buddy is so cool.
Or Sparky.
That's Sparky.
Sparky.
Corey,
Sparky's
Sparky.
better. Yeah, Sparky's definitely better.
Dude, this is so cool. The
Doesn't
Wii-
seem that hard.
No, but the only thing is I need to sync it.
No.
Well, just put it down.
Because
more
like I'm
that, Corey.
pointing up too high.
I don't know if there is any way to fix that.
Put yeah.
Really small or like that?
What's longer?
Dude, yours is longer.
Mine's
My
shorter.
eyes are brown though.
Let's
Never
see.
mind.
Yours looks longer. It's weird.
Yours looks really longer.
Let's go.
Oh, you want to do this, dude? Throw it. No.
Oh man. What about my nose?
Look like that's part fixing your name.
Yeah, no.
Nate.
We're like boxing. You're just like. What's your
My
name,
guy's
dude?
gonna have a grill. Peggy Sue or something.
Really?
No. I gotta think of something sweet. Like Master Zork.
Master Zorg. You can have a grill?
I hope so.
No.
Why
Wow,
not?
that's so cool.
Permanently.
Uh-oh.
Dude,
Miyamoto probably has a
It's
grill.
like evil.
Oh shoot, I don't know.
what's your name gonna be? Oh, dude.
Dude,
Thinking about being
What's
George.
your
Did you
name?
see
Nickname and-
Reggie? You made Samuel L. Jackson?
No.
Reggie's like, Mr. Sam Jackson. He's like, yeah. He's like making his character. Pretty funny.
People.
You
Nice.
guys have internet.
You will soon.
Yeah, right. Well, that'll work.
That'll work.
Tomorrow I'll get it working.
Brian, we need a Wii.
It's not gonna work.
Brian, let's get a Wii, dude. That'd be so
Bathroom's right down the corner.
We
Oh, look it. Dude, check it out.
Nice red pants.
Well, that's not your pitch. Oh, you're pitching.
Yeah. You thought you were pitching, Corey?
No, I thought it was batting.
You are batting.
Okay.
Phil's pitching and you're batting.
Okay.
You just hit a home run, dude.
I feel like this is practice.
Monkey boy.
Nice.
Dude, that's a baller hit. Look at him hopping.
Yeah, like.
There goes over. Oh, you do run around the bases a little bit.
Where's
No,
Nate?
no, like-
Oh, dude, shoot, man. No, dude, I'm not controlling it.
It's Philip doing stuff.
Oh, so I don't get to play?
You and I'll play next. You and I'll play next one.
Oh.
What did you do?
I figured out how to spat.
Whoa. What? I was ready.
Wait, is that who I think it is?
I'm just. This is sweet, dude. Oh. I hate that.